Morning, January the 2nd, second vlog. We down here at Arcadia, Florida. Just made it down here this morning. We got our drywall right here. Just getting down here. Actually, I've started around about it was maybe 2:30 this morning. We went to Ocala, and then got some coffee and fuel, and pretty much headed down here, 200 something mile run. But other than that, we're gonna get on tarp, get on scrap. We down here at one of my favorite spots, so we're gonna do this, get this off our back, and we're gonna head on and pick up the next load, and we're gonna head back up to North Florida. And first vlog I did forget to say I am from North Florida area, so you know, any of y'all truckers, whoever end up following and so on, and you know, south of Jacksonville, close to Ocala, you know, don't be afraid to reach out if I can help. We have a 7-day store that's pretty open with truck parts, so you know. But other than that, like I say, we'll get to the next spot. We got to go to Lake Placid, pick up a load of sod, and stay in touch.